Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So at this agenda, I will presentate about our SQL. There is Pecha Kucha. For this Pecha Kucha, I choose the country is South Korea. For the first slide is the flag. There is a difference between two of Korean flag. This is from Dynasty Joseon until war in 19 Dynasty Joseon is war between Japanese colonial and then divided between South Korea and North Korea. After South Korea making a new flag for their country, there is this one, which is the white flag. Next slide is the language. The national language of South Korea is called Hangugeo. The dialect or bahasa local language is called Saturi or dialect, and for the alphabet it's called Hangul. This the population of the South Korea in 51.71 million in 2023, and this is the most populated city. There is Seoul is their capital city, and then the second one is Busan. This is the popular place in South Korea. There is a Starfield Library in Seoul Central Mall, and then this one is Colorful City in Gamcheon Village at Busan. And then this is president of South Korea. For now, actually, there is no president at South Korea because after the end of the time of Yoon Suk Yeol, there is still kampanye in South Korea until 60 days campaign in South Korea for becoming the king. While president right now is Han Duck-soo, which is the Perdana Menteri. For now president is the prime minister, which is Han Duck-soo. And then this is the currency of South Korea. It's called won. For example, like this is 50 won, 5,000 won, 10,000, 100 won. Also, there is 100,000 won, 1,000 won, and 2 or 3,000 won in coin. This is the tradition of South Korea. First one is hanbok, or in Japanese is called kimono. After the war between Dynasty Joseon and Japanese colonial, which is in same one dynasty at the time, their South Korea or the Korea making their own kimono that's called hanbok, which is used for summer festival, traditional festival, and autumn festival, autumn firework festival. And then also at the summer festival, there is a lot of women using hanbok while playing geum um, or sitting guitar. You can see in here. Okay, next one is a popular food. This popular food is more that's my personal favorite because there is on actually on Indonesia also. First one is tok teok or more known as tteokbokki. Tok is the rice cake in South Korea. It's called tok. And then the second one is kimbap or vegetable that roll with rice and seaweed. If in Japanese it's using raw fish, but in South Korea it's more used by a lot of vegetable. And the second one is bibimbap. Bibimbap is more like kimbap but in bowl. It's filled with cabbage, seaweed, kimchi, and beef. Next one is popular dessert. This one is bingsu that is still viral in Indonesia. The second one is hot dog or rice cake that toast with cinnamon and red bean. And also the viral hot dog in Seoul right now is filled with cinnamon and also ginger. Popular dessert is and also the last one is corn dog or hot dog. It's that cover all of the sausage. It's also popular when it filled with cheese. Next one is popular product. For the first one is Wonhe and Mujige. It's also has been imported to Indonesia, such as their product is banana milk, instant noodle, instant fish cake, and also chips. And then also Nongshim, it's also very popular in Indonesia. They also have product that has been imported to some of Indonesian convenience store, such as Shin Ramyeon Cup, dried seaweed, and seafood chips. This is the biggest brand of all time in South Korea. The owner it's called Chaebol in their language. Samsung is the first biggest the first place of the biggest brand. Samsung. Samsung as for the biggest brand in South Korea. That's also creating a lot of item, not as digital item. He also creating manufacturing items such as incinerator, producing product, presser, and also others. He also have a real at the South Korea. He also have a real estate company called PT Samsung, and also creating some as like called baut and also others screwdriver in. And also the next one is LG, the biggest brand in second place, that creating washing machine, phone also. In South Korea is also creating air conditioners and all other home product and other home product. The next one is Hyundai. Hyundai is being one of the Korean biggest car company that has been known in people around the world. Maybe that's next one is the popular public figure. The first one is Ma Dong-seok for their being winning Oscar for his Marvel Eternals actor, and the next one is Gong Yoo that has been shown at Squid Game for Brett Seller, and the second one is Park Bo Gum that the career has been up because of Itaewon Class. For their movie is for Ma Dong-seok is there's Marvel Eternal, Train to Busan, and The Soulmate. Gong Yoo is have Train to Busan also, being the father of the main character. And then Yakuza and The Guardian. For Park Bo Gum, he is not actually an actor. He's being the MC of the music show in KBS World, but he's also being the actor for Itaewon Class, and the newest the newest series of his is When Life Gives You Tangerine. This is the popular movie in South Korea. There is Squid Game, Parasite, that, and also All of Us Are Dead. This is the popular cartoon of South Korea. There is Tayo the Little Bus that produced by KBS, and also Pororo the Little Penguin. No, Tayo is from KBS, from Korea. Yes. No, this the flag of this is the cover of the Korean the Tayo comic in Indonesia, Gramedia. Yeah, this from South Korea. The company is KBS, Korean Broadcast Station. And also Larva Island is from Netflix Korea.
Why not Squid Game?
Squid Game already here, Squid Game, the popular movie. And then this is the University of Korea. There is KAIST, Korean Advanced Institute and Science Technology. And the second one is Yonsei University, and the last one is SNU. This is the public transportation of South Korea. There is KTX or Korean Transport Express, and this one is Boseu or the local bus, or more known as they're called Tayo, and the last one is Jichancol, or in Indonesia it's more known as KRL. This is the seasons of the South Korea. The first season is winter. It starts from December until February. And then the second one is spring. It starts from March until May. And then summer start from June until August. And then the last one is autumn. Start from September until November. And next also being repeat to winter. This one is typical animal. The first one is Korean Siberian tiger and water deer, that also being the pioneer of ideology of in Korea. And then the typical plant is Munghwa flowers, or more known or similar to sakura flower, but in Munghwa flower has a lot of color. And then the popular sport is cricket, or more known as baseball in small size. And then the second one is basketball. They also have has their own league. There is KBL, or more known as Korean Basketball League. And then the last favorite is hockey. And then this is the website for working opportunities for global. The government is giving the web for all people around the world to apply their job to South Korea. For working opportunities, there is business development and management, consulting roles, marketing communication, and advertising roles. For IT, there is data analytics, cybersecurity. For creative, there is content, PR, and event roles. Online is online tutoring and other online roles. And also, Korean is popular with their teacher that has a big income. There is English teaching opportunities. Okay, maybe that's all that can I say. Let's I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.